And look at mom.
I was so scared, so scared.
And we have such khatarnak expression.
She will not remember all those people who have wished her, but she will be like, why didn't this person wish me?
Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. Mom has joined in for today's video. So tomorrow is International Daughters Day, and being a daughter myself, I thought that let me do a fun video with my mom. People love it when you are there on videos.
Okay.
Okay? You remember the video we did, the mango cheesecake experiment video?
yeah.
I mean, people just completely
Thank
loved
you,
you in that
thank
video.
you.
So by popular demand, she is back on this channel. So for this video, what I have done is that while growing up, we used to love clicking photographs. I mean, we used to love taking photos of the places that we went to, the moments, the celebrations, like everything is captured on that film. You remember that camera where we had to put the roll and develop the negative and the photo albums? 2 cartons bharke, there were photo albums, and I went through all of them. It took me 2 days to actually finish it. I shortlisted some photos from that. Again, I shortlisted and I finally got like 10 of them. Mom is going to react on those 10 photographs. I have told her what this video is going to be about, but I have not shown her those photographs because I want her reaction to be genuine. 10 photos are there. The best photo is going to be the last photo. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. So let's get into the video, but before that, do you want to
Please hit the like button and subscribe to her channel. Guys, please show some love to her.
Okay, मम्मी का ऑर्डर है, मानना पड़ेगा. Please do like this video and please do hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. Let's go. So I have these photos here, okay, in my laptop, and let's begin. Okay, you remember this photo?
Yeah, this was taken in, I think when we had gone to Kodaikanal. You must be in your 2nd or 3rd standard. She had that close crop haircut.
And look at my cap, literally covering my forehead. And we had gone boating, and if you can see, I'm holding on to mom because I was so scared. I remember this.
She was very scared, and equally I'm really petrified of water. Boating was a no-no for me, but since the children wanted to go, I had to sit there. So we had joined another family there, one of our close friends. We love to travel, and any friends, anytime they ask us, let's go, yeah, we are always ever ready to join them.
So let's get into the next.
Yes.
Okay, this is a little embarrassing. You remember when this was taken?
Yeah, I remember. This was taken when we had gone to Dehradun College. We had gone to Missouri, and from Missouri we were coming back. That's how we went to Dehradun, and then we visited this college.
And why are we like this? We look like bandit queens. And we have such khatarnak expression.
Look at you.
I know why am I
so sulking, I think.
I found this photo really funny, and that's the reason why I wanted to actually keep it. By the way, I was in college at that time. I was in like 11th
Junior
or 12th.
college. She was just skinny.
I was so skinny. The journey from this to this. Okay, the next photo.
Yeah, this is in Trivandrum. When she was small, she was this very bubbly girl. Any moment you pick up a camera to take a picture, she comes out with all this weird expressions and all that.
I think I was in my 4th standard.
Yeah, 3rd or 4th, yeah. I think we were getting ready to go for some Rotary program, I think.
Yeah, my mom and dad have always been a part of the Rotary Club right from my childhood, even now they are. So we used to always have these dinner parties, and so we had so many family friends that we used to end up going out so much.
Or somebody coming over to our place.
So next photo.
Yeah. Okay,
remember?
You were not even 3 months old, you know that?
Okay, so this actually expression looks like either you are looking at me in awe or you're just looking at me like, what the hell is this?
See, even now you can see that she's looking directly into the camera. The thing about this trip, we went to Baroda.
Okay, from Kerala to
Kerala to Baroda. Normally we prefer to go by road. We cancelled the road trip thinking that it's better to travel by train because she was very tiny. And this was in December, and everybody, like all relatives, said, "What are you doing? Why are you traveling now? She's too small."
I think when you got married, initially she used to only wear saris.
Yeah, actually in college and all that I used to wear dresses and all that, but after marriage, those days I thought I have to wear sari. There is no other option. So it was like sari in the train also.
And the guy who's peeping out of the window, that is my brother, in case you have not noticed. Okay, so next photo. Here you are not there.
Oh, this is okay.
Okay, so we had this dog when I was a kid. Her name was Julie, and this photo, I mean, it brings back so many memories of Julie. So she was this cross between Dachshund and Terrier. So she was this really hairy dog, but very long, like how Dachshunds are.
Ekdam short. And my husband, her dad, he's so scared of dogs.
My dad was so scared of dogs. So it was me, my brother, and she's a big time dog lover. And so all three of us thought that we'll get a dog. And we insisted. My dad did not want a dog at all. Majority wins. And then finally we got her. And then later on, my dad became so attached to her. She was such a charmer.
She used to play with us, but the moment he enters the house, her full 100% of her attention is towards him. They had a very good connection afterwards.
Okay, so next photo.
Okay, this photo was taken, I think, first when we came to Mumbai. She was in the 5th standard.
We had made a plan to go to SL World, and we were just very new in Mumbai. We were just figuring out things, and we had not heard of places. SL World is something which is like very popular. So that was one place that we went, and my god, me and my brother, we just freaked out over here. There were so many rides, and this was this rope climbing thing that we had to do. There are so many photos of SL World. I mean, it brings back all the memories of the time when we just came to Mumbai. I was so tiny. I was always tiny. Okay, next photo. Okay, this is a little bit funny. I want you to tell me what is.
Oh, okay.
I want you to tell me what is the background of this. Why am I crying?
Yeah, this picture was taken in Kannur, Kerala. And it was on your birthday.
Yeah, I want to know why was I crying on my birthday?
For you to cry, somebody did not wish you, somebody did not remember your birthday. That was good enough for you. I think that is one characteristic that is still there in her even now.
I hope I'm not alone. If any of you guys are also like me, please let me know in the comment section. If you have a list of people that you want all of them to remember and wish you.
She has a list and she keeps ticking, She will not remember all those people who have wished her, but she will be like, why didn't this person wish me?
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Till date, all my birthdays I've celebrated. So this decoration was done with the ribbons and everything. They used to call my friends in the evening. There was a cake cutting, and not just that, like for me, birthdays are so special. Like I used to always buy 3 clothes.
Morning she'll wear one, then to school of course she'll wear one, and then the evening cake cutting she'll be wearing one. So she's never happy with one set of dress. She needs at least 3, 4, anything more than 3.
Why was I crying? I don't remember.
It could have been anything, small thing is enough to put you off.
Okay, so next photo.
Okay. Oh my god.
Look at all of us.
We are sitting on an elephant.
Okay, so first of all, this is taken in Bandipur. Bandipur is a forest in Karnataka. It's a very beautiful place. A lot of you guys must have heard about it as well. So we had gone and stayed over there. So we and one more family.
It is bang in the middle of the jungle, and you can see peacock, you can see deers.
This photo, we had gone on an elephant ride. If you can see my expression, I am shit scared. And remember this clothes. So there was a dress code. If you had to go inside the jungle, you needed to be dressed in such a way that you can camouflage as well. So they had like specific colors that you can wear, like dark green and those patte ka colors.
Earthy colors.
Earthy colors, yeah. Okay, so next photo.
This was again, I think, Bangalore.
No, this was Kishkinda.
Kishkinda. Yes.
Yeah, that's
yes.
Chennai.
Yes.
We were going in that, I don't know what you call that ride, but it was the one where you know, it'll splash into the water. And look at mom, Amma.
I was so scared, so scared. I did not want to get into this.
Why is dad wearing shades? I found this photo to be really funny, though it's a little blurred, but I really found it funny.
I think you were like happy that you were in between both of us.
Anytime there is any kind of danger involved, I always like to be in the
she'll
center.
come and sit in the center.
That's why I was scared during the elephant ride, because I was not in the center. Okay, so we are coming to the last photo.
Okay.
This was during my shadi, of course, as you can see. Kerala weddings, while walking towards the mandap, it's generally you hold dad's hand and mom. It's like mom and dad leave you till the mandap. So this is actually, like, I want to keep this photo to the last because this kind of summarizes the entire thing.
Yeah.
And this is my favorite photo.
Yeah, mine too.
One of the most iconic moment of our lives. During my wedding day, when I was going to their house, my in-laws, my mom did not cry. And I'm so happy about it. I mean, the way she had controlled herself, I'm sure she would have felt the same as every other mother on the planet. But the way she controlled herself.
Yeah, it should not be like Rona Dona, should not be there, because I was thinking, what? She's going
It's a
there
happy
only.
time.
You know, she'll continue to be our daughter, come what may.
So, how did you feel about the whole video?
It was so nice, you know, especially those old ones and all that. And I actually relived all those moments.
If you guys want to see a part 2 of this video, then please let me know in the comment section, because there are so many photos, like so many photos. These are just fraction of them that I selected. And hope you guys also enjoyed today's video as much as we did. If you did enjoy, then you know what to do, ma.
And subscribe.
Please hit like on this video and please do subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button. So until we meet again next time, stay tuned. Bye.